Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Spanish lesson.
Spanish students learn pretty early on that salir means to leave or to go out. But at the intermediate and advanced levels, many Spanish students fail to fully utilize salir, missing out on some of its most natural, everyday meanings.
So let's go over 4 ways you can use salir and improve your Spanish. But don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you still haven't.
And also, check out the description of this video where we're going to leave the links to our YouTube and Patreon memberships that we just updated and are packed full of exclusive, members-only, extra Spanish bonus content. And you'll also find the link to Buy Me a Coffee where you can donate if you'd like to support all of our work and help grow the channel.
Okay, so we mentioned that we first learned that salir means to leave or to go out of a place. Notice that it's very commonly used as salir de plus place.
So, for example, we could say something like, on Fridays, I leave work later than usual.
Los viernes salgo del trabajo más tarde de lo normal.
So, as you see, we have that structure where we have salir and then de, in this case del, because we need the article, and then the place, trabajo. So this will always follow that same structure. Let's see another one. We had already left the house when it started to rain.
Ya habíamos salido de la casa cuando empezó a llover.
If you leave the hotel early, you'll avoid traffic.
Si sales del hotel temprano, evitarás el tráfico.
Okay, so we saw that in those 3 cases, we did have salir de plus a place. But it doesn't always have to be that way. You can just use salir. Let's see an example. Claudia didn't want to go out because she was exhausted.
Claudia no quiso salir porque estaba agotada.
Okay, so that's easy enough. But now let's get into the other ways that you can use salir. Our second use is to talk about how something turns out or ends up, often unexpectedly. Now, notice that in these examples, we're usually using salir followed by an adjective or salir followed by como. Let's see some examples. My parents organized the party very well. Everything turned out beautiful.
Mis papás organizaron muy bien la fiesta. Todo salió muy bonito.
So here we have salió and then an adjective, muy bonito. Okay, now what about this one? The cake didn't turn out as well as your mom usually makes it.
El pastel no salió tan bien como lo hace tu mamá.
So you see we have salir and then también como. So como doesn't have to come exactly after salir, but it will come after it when we want to make this sort of comparison. The trip ended up very different from how we imagined it.
El viaje salió muy distinto a como lo habíamos imaginado.
The interview didn't turn out how Marta expected after all the preparation.
La entrevista no salió como Marta esperaba después de toda la preparación. Nice! Okay, our third usage of salir is an everyday use that surprises many learners.
And that's because we can use it to talk about how much something costs or how much something comes out to be with respect to a final price. So, for example, how much did the whole thing come out to after taxes?
¿Cuánto salió todo con impuestos?
The tickets were way too expensive. I think you got ripped off.
Los boletos salieron demasiado caros. Creo que te estafaron.
If we split the bill, it comes out to about $20 per person.
Si dividimos la cuenta, sale como a $20 por persona.
The car repairs are going to end up costing a fortune.
Las reparaciones del coche van a salir carísimas.
Okay, now our last usage of salir can be used for movies, news, information, and results.
And that's because we can use salir to express that something is going to come out, to be released, or appear. So, for example,
The new Tom Cruise movie comes out next week.
la nueva película de Tom Cruise sale la próxima semana.
The truth eventually came out.
La verdad salió a la luz.
The election results were released this morning.
Los resultados de la elección salieron esta mañana.
I was so proud when I saw that my daughter's name appeared in the article.
Me sentí muy orgulloso cuando vi que el nombre de mi hija salió en el artículo.
So, as you can see, salir is much more than just to leave or to go out. And now you can start using it in these other ways to sound more natural in your everyday Spanish conversations.
Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel.
Then let us know in the comments if any of these uses surprised you or if you have any questions. Now, watch this video to keep improving your Spanish. Until next time.